Hey, poor cunts.
Shit, man, that was not a fucking mafia execution.
The Slug Boys, yay!
He was from Tubarão.
Yeah, we'll go Fenrir. We'll play Fenrir for a good wee while.
Stay here, man.
But my skin, the epic one.
Aye.
Yeah, that's a special skin.
A weird fucking emo guy. Like, in
I
a
know.
fucking band that's not really successful. He's trying to, like a fake emo, but
You, girl, got me where you want me.
you broke my heart. Flipped it out and stomped all over me. You said you loved me, but then you fucked the football captain.
Well,
All I wanted was for him to fuck me.
What's the captain for yourself?
That twist.
I'm
I'm
gonna
so
go again.
sorry.
I'm going down the staircase.
Right.
So I'm blowing up.
Oh, fuck. Aye, the wall next to me. Oh, I got flashbanged. I'm dead.
Oh, mine's horrible.
Snake as well.
Down the cunt, but fucking aim was off there, mate, but I managed to down him.
Cunt's coming up.
Sure, I can-
Stairs,
aye.
stairs.
I've got gas out already.
Clear out the stairs, clear out the stairs. Right.
Yeah, we both just sandwiched him. My fucking gas went off and everything. Hey, poor cunts.
Shit, man, that was not a fucking mafia execution.
Be a wee trat set up, stay up for them and everything, man. You're gas so they can't even see us.
Fucking guy's name, Asperger's.
They're a bit jazzy, mate.
Asperger's. Maybe his name is Jasper, and he's got Asperger's.
I can lob a grenade for that one day up there.
Grenade out. I'm recording that! I'm recording that!
I was a builder! That kid's probably out. Where?
They're coming through. I've got him. Bad man.
Yeah, with his mental, is he kingpin, but just charging towards you?
Bing.
Shut up, mate. I'll fucking ping you out the window, you dick.
The Wingy.
Right, go back to Operation Health.
Thank you, need to.
Oh, mate. That's what fucked me in the first place.
Ping, flick me out the Wingy.
That's what fucked me in the first place, mate.
I believe that I had my favourite Chinese warlord, King Ping.
Fuck is that dog a bit? I don't like that.
No, that's a bit weird.
Election is returned. The law has entered the game.
Fucking love that shit.
I'm going to rewatch that one.
I don't know if I've already watched it this year or no.
Right, well, I'm spectating you, big man. Do me proud. Yeah, Rick business.
It's never happening.
With that action, mate, never happened. Come on.
Oh man, why the defeatist mentality all the time?
Because
Take yourself up, big man.
shite at any game.
Mate,
You're
honestly,
that attitude, man.
psych yourself up. Believe you can do fucking good. And you actually, like, stick there and you'll get good.
You're no on bottom of the leaderboard anyway, so that's a good sign.
Exactly.
How do you know?
I checked.
Mate, see if you were on the bottom of the leaderboard then, obviously, no chance of
Oh, well.
playing this game. Mate. Get off.
Oh,
but,
mate.
like, I thought you were talking about, like, proper leaderboard. Like,
Oh, like that, aye.
Give me a new. In fact, I can go and cameras.
Quiet. I'm trying to fucking listen.
Obviously, that staircase. She's got hot by
You're
that,
still
by the way,
yapping.
that
You're still
trap.
yapping. Shut up. Shut up, man.
I'm trying to tell you, there's a cunt down on that staircase.
Trying to find good spots for these cameras, man.
I get find good spots when I fucking smoke.
The spots on my face, my boyfriend pisses on me.
We're going back to that shit.
Excuse me, mate. Well, where are you?
This freak sang just killed somebody.
Oh, fuck. Help.
Oh, gang.
Gang.
Oh, you're a mad cunt.
Oh, I know.
Come here. Got some handcuff keys on you.
You must have handcuff keys on. I was about to fucking make that joke when I joined the party, but... Other side of the wall here. Aye.
There's ass.
There we go.
I popped that window him just to scare him, but then he didn't. I don't know.
The fuck?
I
Fucking like a rubber ball. Okay.
don't know what I'm doing. I never even knew happened on me, that was just for that.
Come Valkyrie again, fuck it.
Handcuff
Wow.
keys.
I've got some handcuff keys on. Robbie's kind of has no fucking clue what the fuck.
No, I don't know what's happening here. Take it for the Walking Dead.
Yeah, aye.
Oh,
Started
in
play-
fact, is that over right at the very start when you get to the police vehicle or something
Aye.
like that?
I will keep
Aye.
spamming it.
when I was 12 playing that back in the day, I didn't know you could turn around and kick the window. And I just kept pressing that over and over. He's got handcuff keys on, he must have handcuff keys on. And then that just became a thing.
That's sick. I should really have the 2015 one, not the 2016. I don't know why I've got 2016
I
on
think
it.
it only goes
I've
to
only got
2016.
2016. I got the game on day one and all.
What?
Fuck, is this fucking schizophrenic Dan? Hello? Hello?
Why is it already been marked?
What?
Why is it already been marked, by the way?
Yo, I'll put a camera there.
All the
There's
way
one,
around.
there's one right there, coming through. He's there, go yo.
Mate, he's one ball of health. The lad's his gun still does that.
Well, I'm gonna need to plant, you're gonna need to kill this gun or protect me. Yeah. What the fuck happened to him there? I got glued to a wall for a second.
Up against the walls. Oh! Oh! His brain out of his back.